So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Claude to Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is to download the free Premiere Copilot plugin and run the installer. This plugin is compatible with Premiere Pro 2022 or later and works on both Mac OS and Windows systems. Launch Premiere Pro and open your project. From the top menu bar, navigate to Window. Select Extensions, and then click Premiere Copilot. The Copilot chat interface will appear, in which you can conveniently dock right beside your timeline. Now inside the Premiere Copilot panel, locate the Model Picker drop-down menu and choose Claude, while the plugin allows you to switch between different AI models per project. Claude is highly recommended as strong default for following complex editing instructions. Now all you have to do is start editing. You can now type plain English prompts into the chat exactly as you would brief a human editing assistant. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.